Hey guys, welcome to my channel Electronic Gadgets. Today we are taking a look at the ORYMUSE Dual Zone Wine Fridge 175 bottle model ORY175DZ, a premium large capacity wine cooler designed for serious collectors, restaurants, and anyone who wants to store their wine the right way with perfect temperature control and elegant design. This wine fridge offers an impressive capacity of up to 175 bottles, making it ideal for both personal collections and commercial use. The dual zone feature allows you to store different types of wine at separate temperatures, so whether it's reds or whites, everything stays perfectly preserved. Click link to find out the price given in description below. One of the standout features here is the upgraded compressor cooling system, which ensures stable and consistent temperature without fluctuations. This is extremely important for maintaining the taste and quality of your wine over time, and it also operates efficiently while keeping noise levels low. The intelligent temperature memory function is another great addition. In case of a power outage, the fridge automatically restores the previous settings once power is back, so you don't have to worry about manually resetting everything or risking your wine collection. Design-wise, this unit features a sleek and modern look with a 24-inch freestanding and built-in compatible design, giving you flexibility to place it wherever it fits best. The glass door adds a premium touch while allowing you to showcase your collection beautifully. Inside, the shelves are designed to hold bottles securely while maximizing space. The overall layout is well organized, making it easy to access and manage your collection without hassle. Overall, the ORYMUSE Dual Zone Wine Fridge 175 bottle model ORY175DZ delivers excellent performance, large storage capacity, and smart features, making it a great investment for wine lovers and professionals alike. If you're looking for a reliable and stylish wine storage solution, this could be exactly what you need. Thank you. See you in next video.